Welcome to the Little Habit Taught, where you will learn the good habits that will make you superhuman.
In every land, both near and far, people shine like a brilliant star. Different food and clothes they wear, but all have kindness, love, and care. Some folks dance with drums and song, others sit in silence long. Some may pray at dawn's first light, some light candles in the night. One might eat with fork and spoon, another uses hands at noon. Some wear turbans, caps, or beads, each has ways to meet their needs. In story songs and wedding cheer, cultures bloom both far and near. Their languages and customs new are beautiful and special too. So if you meet someone one day who talks or dresses a different way, don't laugh or point or turn around, just smile and listen, safe and sound. We learn to share, we understand, we all live on the same great land. Different roots, but one big tree, you and I and they and we. Let's celebrate both old and new, respecting all in what they do. For when we open heart and mind, the world becomes more warm and kind.